reply the question number 176. So, steps have been taken by the government to keep in check the seriousness of food inflation. The department has instructed the district subdivisional from time to time to carry the rate and inspection regularly to prevent hoarding and black marketing and to increase the prosecution and conviction rate and provide outcome of such rate. Also, action is taken on report relating to offence under Essential Commodities Act 1955 and the Prevention of Black Marketing and Maintenance of Supplies of Essential Commodities Act 1980. B. Sir, instruction have been sent to all the deputy commissioners and subdivisional officers to constitute the district and subdivision vigilance monitoring committee to curb the tendencies of hoarding and black marketing to ensure that there is no hoarding and black marketing of commodities. Further monitoring of price of essential commodities through price monitoring center is done and action is taken thereupon.
Matthew Kuba, your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, sir, for your reply. The Minister in charge of Food and Service Supplies would elaborate answer to my question. Just because, sir, as per the report of the Ministry of Statistics, the food inflation in India is around 11.51% as on July 2023, and the staple food inflation is around 15.27%, which is the highest since 2016. An average Indian spends around 45 to 50% of their income on food. With increase of 15 to 20% of food price, it has impact every family of the state, especially the poor family, and we in the state of Meghalaya depend mostly on food from the state. So with this increase of food price, it has impact almost every household that they don't have enough money to save to take care of their health and education. This has led to them, the poor family, to neglect their health and also lead to school dropout. And also it increased crime and unlawful activities. With this, sir, I would like to ask the Minister in charge, can you inform the House how many raids has been carried out in the last year 2022-23 until date? And what was the outcome of the raid? Sir.
Sir, as per the action taken report under the Essential Commodities Act 1955, Prevention of Black Marketing and Maintenance of Supplies of Essential Commodities Act 1980, our department already conducted open market rate is almost 343 numbers.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know if the government is having any policy to interfere in the market when the price of staple food goes up?
Sir, regarding this interfere, our department trying to checks and balance regarding this. Every market, like in Yodo, Laimkra and Ranja, they already capture from all these three markets daily basis by using this mobile apps with GPS coordinate.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the BPL families were selected based on the socio-economic census of 2011. But as of now, there are more BPL families in the state. May I ask the Minister in charge, please, is there a mechanism in place to include those families who has not been included till date since 2011?
Sir, as per the socio-economic and caste census 2011, as of now, there is no new census. The allotment also the same. We cannot include the support family if the census is not in place. I think the census is due to be on the 2020. Because of this COVID, the government of India stopped all this census.
Thank you, sir. One last question, sir.
Last question.
So with the introduction of railway line to Mendipathar, may I know whether the price of food commodities has reduced in Mendipathar area or in the whole of Garavels?
Sir, regarding this railway, I don't have the details with me right now. I require notice.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.